Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from TD to CIBC. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you want to do here is you need to open up your TD account details. So go to td.com and log in into your account. Now from there, navigate to the transfers option in the left menu from the account screen. Now, for the next step, what you need to do is you need to choose the account you wish to transfer funds from by using the Select From Account drop-down menu. Now from there, select the account where you want to move your funds to from the Select to Account drop-down menu. Now from there, input the desired amount of money, which is Canadian dollars, for the transfer in the amount field. Now click on the next button. Now for the last step, we need to review and finalize. Confirm the accuracy of your transfer details, ensuring the source and destinations are correct. If you need to make changes, select the Back button. Now from there, click the Finish button to initiate the fund transfer. It may take a moment for the transaction to reflect in your current balance. A confirmation message will appear indicating the completion of your transfer, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.